got a problem with my dick. Been hating on him since I was a kid, way before I ever put him in a bitch. Going back, y'all never wanna trash talk, so I made a track we could rap on, keep us intact. And I know the fact is that you're Jewish, but I don't want no excuses for your size. I know hella Jewish guys who grew up between them thighs, but no, you acting like you was folk. You haven't changed since we young, it's that you that immature. And I don't get it, I'm getting bitches, get you and kittens, other dicks to die for. But I'm barely hitting it when I'm in it, your high score. And now it's real bad, cause you ain't moving on. You're 20 something and still live above your two balls. I've been getting 9 to 5s, but I've been keeping us with bitches that was trying to ride. But you a motherfucking fiend and it's mean, we supposed to be a team. You a dick, but I wish I had a penis. And it's about a dick who never took the time to grow, and come the second that he get in that vagina hole. And I ain't loving butting heads like this, but you gotta stop fucking up my shit. And I ain't feeling bad, and I don't give a fuck about your problems, but lay them on the table, maybe we can solve them. Cause you and I, we attached at the hip, so we better get this settled up and fixed right now, dick. Hold up, Dickie, you ain't really mean it. You got the nerve to tell me you the one mistreated. I don't believe it, it's nothing but egregious, cause I'm the one that's been getting beat and obscenely in this motherfucker right now. That's a fact, and my homies from my cycle at my back. You whacking me every motherfucking day, you acting like it's okay. But imagine waking up feeling afraid. I'm praying you stop abusing and you confused if you blame me for the ejacs. It's about your brain, I came because I react. Hope that you can see that, cause it's on you, need to distract. What can I do if you never relax? You see it's actually you that's in control of our faculties. The pre-ejaculatory crap is sorely inaccurate, acting like you was deploring me, warranted insecurity, scoring, ignoring the forming and you're an immaturity. Not true. Now the prematurity's on my head, but you know damn well it should be up on yours instead. But if you loved and accepted me, then that wouldn't be a problem. Instead I'm in a dick numbing condom, and it's about a kid who never took the time to grow, and come the second that he get in that vagina hole. And I ain't loving butting heads like this, but you gotta stop fucking up my shit. And I ain't feeling bad, and I don't give a fuck about your problems, but lay them on the table, maybe we can solve them. Cause you and I, we attached at the hip, so we better get it settled up and fixed right now, kid. Wow, I think you need to get a grip, dude. I'd say the same, but I'm betting that you will soon. Real funny, dick, I can't even stomach this. How you gon' act like I'm whacking your shit for nothing? He frontin' up in this motherfucker, bluffing on the beat. Wouldn't beat him without a reason, he sung it incomplete. Tell me why then, why you always talk to my jeans? It's cause I'm with a woodpecker like I'm stuck in a tree. Well, I confess I'm erect on occasion, but up in the Bahamas, hold up, that was a vacation. Is that what you call it? As I recall, you was mauling me day and night. Only sex you got was dry, aggressively rubbing fly. I was taped up, you the fucking problem, Dickie, wake up. What about the time you wasn't staying up? I was with a top 5 time of my life. Were you the guy that was drinking all the goddamn wine? Fuck that, you a cold, crooked motherfucker, where's your heart? Man, you a toad-looking motherfucker, Mario Kart. So this is it, you a dick, I need a penis. No, you a dick, I need a human being. So the shit about a kid who never took the time to grow, and come the second that he get in that vagina hole. And I ain't loving butting heads like this.